This new feature within the Sanctuary Exchange app is a fiat to crypto gateway. It allows users to buy crypto within our widget and API. This fiat to crypto gateway enables users of Sanctuary DEX software to access more than 170 countries. It allows users to transact and exchange in more than 45 fiat currencies and more than 120 cryptocurrencies. And it also allows the users of Sanctuary DEX software to purchase currencies with more than 16 payment methods. Sanctuary DEX software allows you to buy, sell, and trade money without fear of being hacked, the denial of service, or your account being frozen from centralized gateway payment processors and sponsoring banks. Your currencies are digitalized and stored on a distributed ledger on the blockchain, which in theory cannot be hacked or corrupted. Using your private key, you can readily access your account 24/7. You maintain complete and total control of your digital assets. Our platform enables you to bank yourself. Concerned about the dollar, exchange your dollars for the currency of your choice. Bank or exchange failures will not affect your assets. They are stored on the blockchain under your keys. The user chooses what cryptocurrency he or she wants to buy, what fiat currency is used, and with what payment method he or she wants to buy it. The fiat to cryptocurrency gateway then provides the users with a choice between the best available offers from the major fiat gateways. First, you open the Sanctuary Exchange app, then you select what cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. Next, you click the deposit button and then buy cryptocurrency from Sanctuary Exchange. Then you select how much you want to buy, what fiat platform you want to use. Now all you have to do is agree to the terms and service and enter your payment method. First, fill in your name, address, and phone number. Then you can pay with any of the payment methods we discussed earlier. Then just accept the terms of use, click continue, and the purchase is complete. There are three major advantages of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Mitigating hacking risks is the first. Users of decentralized exchanges do not need to transfer their assets to a third party. Therefore, there is no risk of a company or organization being hacked, and its users are assured of greater safety from hijacking and theft. 2 is preventing market manipulation. Due to the nature of allowing for peer-to-peer exchange of cryptocurrencies, decentralized exchanges prevent market manipulation, protecting users from fake trading and wash trading. The third is anonymity. Decentralized exchanges do not require customers to fill out Know Your Customer (KYC) forms, offering privacy and anonymity to their users. From those of us at Sanctuary DEX, we hope this video was informative about our new feature, Fiat to Crypto Gateway, and decentralized exchange.